Hi friends. So today we are going to see the overview of computer security. Computer security is a good topic and it has many parts. So we'll be covering one in each video. Okay. So today we are going to see the overview. Now, what is computer security? Computer security is a process of detecting and preventing unauthorized access of your system, network, or IoT devices. Okay. Next is safeguarding against malicious software. If somebody has you've got some email or it has some attachment which can install itself and give access to your system, access of your system to someone else. Okay, then restrict usage of the system to only authorized person. Now authorized person is who? If you have given some username, password, so then to that person only will be knowing the username and password, nobody else can access the system. Okay. Now what is security? See, the cyberspace. What is cyberspace? Cyberspace is computers, network, internet devices. All these things together make cyber. Okay. Now cyber is becoming dangerous day by day. Why? Because of the advancement of technology. Now see, if anything is growing, okay, new technology is coming every day. Some updates are coming. With that, vulnerability also comes. Okay. So cyberspace is the one which we need to protect. Why we need to protect cyberspace? Because it has got all our data. Data is a big thing in today's world. You must have heard big data. Okay, so the value of data in today's age is very much, very much. All these social networking sites, what they do, they are earning huge amount of money with the individual's data. Okay, you're giving your phone number, your email ID, through which you are accessible. Somebody can message you, somebody can email you. You're definitely going to check. Okay, this is called advertisement. Okay, so we'll not go to into that. Okay, so now threat is what? Cyber threat is what? It can be external as well as internal. Okay, your own employee, your somebody known to you may do some harm to your system who is aware of the things. So okay, so why thus unauthorized use of system and all has become very easy. Okay, there are three reasons. First, hacking tools are very easily available over the internet. You type in Google, you'll get everything, even a written code. You have to just copy paste and run it. Okay. Second, growth of technology, okay, like internet bandwidth and computer processing speeds. Okay. Third is access to hacking manuals, okay, that are also available. There are so many books which are written on hacking. So the resources are available, and if a person with a good mind, even a school kid, can do hacking with those resources or utilizing those resources. Okay. Now what is the solution for this? First, hardening your network. The accessibility of network should be tough. Your application and operating system should be updated. Okay. And you can time to time you can conduct a business disaster recovery plan. Okay, so that may help you. Okay, now what to secure in computer environment? Okay, first of all, physical security. Only network security and cyber security is not important, physical security is also important. Okay, like suppose if your system is accessible or it is kept somewhere, that room has access to many persons. Some of them may be authorized to use those systems, some of them may not be authorized to use those systems. So in that way, physical security is important. Okay, for that, what you can do, you can install control system like motion alarms, okay, door assessing system, etc, etc. Okay. Second is authentication. Authentication is very important. You need to provide username, password, etc, etc, so that only authorized person can access the system. Network security, your network should be strong. Okay, you cannot compromise on network because all your system are connected to a network. If somebody has got access to network, he has got everything. Okay. Now internet devices, data security. That's the most important thing. Okay, you've got all your database into your server. If somebody can hack your server, you'll get all the data, and it may put your reputation on stake. Okay, now if you're transmitting any information over the network, it has to be encrypted. Okay, it cannot go just like that. Okay, now if somebody suppose have unauthorized access to your system, what is the loss? Okay, first of all, data loss. Okay, very big thing. Okay, now the system is can be utilized for bad purpose. Okay, now repetition loss is now suppose somebody has got access to your Facebook account. He may send any messages to your known, anything, he may post anything from your account which all your friends can see, so it may cause what you say repetition loss. Okay, now identity theft. Okay, somebody has got access to your social media account, your identity is stolen. Okay, he may utilize the information, make it another account, and he may use it for his own gain or own benefits. Okay, so what are the basic checklists for computer security as far as overview is concerned? Okay, so check for authentication, username and password is must. Okay, operating system update, every day they are coming with new update, you have to be updated. Okay, antivirus firewall system should be installed. Okay, you can check through your task manager if any service running which is unusual. Okay, so in that way you can check. Okay, uh, basic checks, I mean, running the system or your recovery plan regularly. Okay, data recovery plan. So this was the overview of computer security. Okay, in the next video we'll see elements of computer security. Okay, and so today what we have seen is what is computer security, what is security, what to secure, what are the potential losses, and what is the basic checkoff list of computer security. Okay, this was just an overview. See you in the next video for more updates. Stay tuned.